Hey friends, I just got this Smart Pet water dispenser and I'm going to go ahead and unbox it and set it up now, but first I want to say thank you to the brand for sending me this product in exchange for my honest opinion. It holds 2.5 liters, which means I don't have to fill it up every day like I used to with the regular bowls. It's perfect for lazy people like me who don't have time to constantly refill it. Plus it's awesome when I'm working late or out for a few days. The cap's covered for up to 10 days. I do love the little water window so I can just take a peek to see if it needs to fill up. It's got this 4 layer filtration thing going on too, so not only does it filter out cat hair and food bits, but the activated carbon makes the water taste and smell fresh, and the stainless steel tray is easy to clean, which is a huge win because honestly, who has time for scrubbing? Another thing I love is it's super quiet, like you can barely notice it's even on. There are 2 flow modes. One is soft trickle if your cat's picky, and the other is the fun little waterfall that my cat will love. Oh, and if the power ever goes out, no worries. There's an emergency storage built in, so they'll still have water. And check it out. There is an LED night light. It's kind of chic, and it does let me know if something's up at a glance. I'll be able to see it still. I do wish the cord was just a little bit longer. It was fine. I just wish it was just a little bit longer so I have more versatile and like where to put it. But as you can see, my cat was interested in it like right away, went for it. So I think she's going to absolutely love this thing.